Uni Queens and Kings. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do so. So today I'm using Remington Pro Curling Wand in the size a 1/2 inch. And we're gonna get that temperature going to 410. I put it as high as it can go. And the fun part about this curling wand is it heats up, y'all, so fast, like 30 seconds type fast. So let's get going. You're going to want to start off with a middle part, so you want to center it. I use my nose to align my parts. That's how I know it's the middle of my head. Of course, it still might be a little crooked or off, but nobody's perfect here, okay? And I'm here to show you guys all my mistakes and flaunts as well. So I'm going to use some dry oil. That is not Hot 6 oil. I'll insert a picture or either put it in the description down below what oil I'm using. I do know it is by L'Oreal and it's a dry oil because I don't want my hair to be super oily. You will now see me doing my parts 1,000,001 times. So just pay attention to how I part and section my hair so that you can achieve the same look. So now it is time to get into wanding my hair with the curling wand. So you want to place it, I place mine personally behind the hair, so away from my face, and then I wrap it around. And I don't make it all flat or I don't twist it all. I literally just wrap it, and however it falls, that's what I keep it because I like the messy look, honestly. Also, when you are curling your hair with this curling wand, you want to make sure you hold it no longer than 10 seconds, honestly, because you don't want your hair to be like that girl on YouTube that went viral and it all burnt off. Not good, okay? Okay, so when I need to get closer to my scalp, after I wrap the hair around it, I just roll the curling wand inward towards my head, if that makes sense. I think you guys get what I'm saying, but that's what I do just so that I make sure I can get the curl or at least to look like something that I want to achieve. Let me see if I do it right here. Kinda, I did a little turn, but you'll see throughout the video what I mean with that. But here I am going over again because I did not get the curl that I wanted. And you'll see me several times in the video where I keep messing up. I literally left it all in there because I want you to know that this is an easy process, but you don't always get the perfect curl or the curl that you're looking for the first given time. So I just wanted to set realistic standards for you guys. Also, I'm sure you guys noticed that I keep brushing with the brush pad and my right toe comb through my hair. That's because you want to make sure your hair is smooth as possible so that you'll have less frizz, and then also it'll be easier for your hair to curl as well. After I curl the front pieces, I pull down on the length of the hair because I don't want them to be super tight. I actually want them to be looser and long in the front, so I like the loose look. So I pull down on them right after I curl it, like as the hair is hot. You want to do it quick as possible. Now that everything is curled, I am going over my front pieces and like twirling them in together. And then we're going to take that dry oil again and we're going to put it all over our hands so that I can fluff and like comb through, well, finger comb through my hair and fluff it out. Okay, so you see how like the top back part of my head is a little flat? I don't like that, so I always take like random strands from the top part of my head and I just wand it so that way it gives more volume and it won't look so flat and boring right there. And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in, especially if you stayed till the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guess what? I'll see you guys in the next video.
Will forever be that bitch. Yeah.